Hello everybody and welcome to Tactical Expressions. Today we're going to show you how to change your regular mil-spec charging handle into ambidextrous or with the one that have extended latch. First, go ahead and make sure your chamber is clear. Now you need to separate upper receiver with the lower, so you just simply press on your takedown pin, or you can grab something sharp like a bullet and press it even harder and pull it from another side. Now you have access to your bolt and the charging handle. Just simply release the latch on your charging handle and slide everything together. Both pieces will come out at the same time. First, your bolt will come out, and then your charging handle will drop down. Don't forget to lubricate your new charging handle if it's needed. You just simply can put a couple of dots on the top, whatever oil grease you use, and then just spread it with your finger for better performance. Now you're ready to install your new charging handle. You just simply need to meet the little notch that is located inside of your receiver with this little lips, these little ears that sticks out from your charging handle. So just simply slide it in and push your charging handle up to be able to locate those little notches. Here we go. Now I usually slide charging handle just a little bit so it's not gonna drop on you. Grab your bolt, make sure it's all the way out, it's not pressed inside, otherwise you will not be able to slide your bolt inside. So just make sure it's out from your carrier. Grab your bolt and fit right in there. Lock it, press on your charging handle. Also, make sure everything locked before you slide your upper receiver with the lower. And now just simply lock it with the takedown pin. Charging handle installation complete, and you can go ahead and test it out.
Listen.